Now we will see marketing management philosophies or evolution of marketing concept. There are 5 marketing concept. First one, production concept. Second, product concept. Third, selling concept. Fourth, marketing concept. Fifth one, societal marketing concept. First one, production concept. This concept says customers will favor the product that are widely available and affordable. The marketers who believes in production concept focuses on mass production and distribution to reduce the cost per unit of the product and maximize the profit from increase the volume of sales. The main focus of this concept is on quantity of the product. The aim is to make profit through volume of production. Second philosophy, product concept. This concept holds the consumer will favor the product that offer the most in quality, performance and innovative features. This marketing strategy is focused on making continuous product improvement. The main focus of this concept is on quality, performance and innovative features of the product. The aim is to make profit through product quality. Right. Next philosophy, that is selling concept. The aim of this concept is to sell what is made rather than what market wants. This concept believes in aggressive selling through advertising and sales promotion. Normally, this philosophy is used with goods which buyer do not want to buy, like your unsold goods, for example, insurance. अगर जदि आमे कस्टमर को कन्विन्स करि पारिले आमर प्रोडक्ट जहाँ भी हेई थाउ जदि तांको आमे कन्विन्स करि पारिले मोटिवेट करि पारिले they will be interested in buying our product. Next philosophy, marketing concept. Achieving organizational goals depends on knowing the needs and wants of the target market and delivering the desired satisfaction better than the competitors do. This philosophy takes customers as a first approach. The main focus of this concept is on customers' needs. The aim is to make profit through customer satisfaction. Right. One demerit of this concept is whatever the customer need to be made by the business by providing the desired product, whether that need is against social welfare or creating any undesirable social consequences. It does not take into consideration. Next concept is last philosophy, that is societal marketing concept. The marketer must endeavor to satisfy the needs and wants of the target market in ways that preserve and enhance the well-being of consumers and society as a whole. Preserve and enhance the well-being of consumers and society as a whole. You might have heard sustainable marketing or green marketing is the extension of societal marketing. Clear? The main focus of this concept is on customers' needs and society well-being. The aim is to make profit through customer satisfaction and social welfare. मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट रे कस्टमर जहाँ चाहूँची सिगरेट चाहूँ कि ड्रग्स चाहूँ कि पॉइजन चाहूँ ताकू ता डिमांड को फुलफिल करिवार अछि सेते बेले मार्केटर सोसाइटी रो वेलबिंग कथा भाबु नाही बट इन केस ऑफ सोसाइटल मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट कस्टमर नीड को फुलफिल करार अच्छी ता सहित सोशल वेलफेयर को देखिबार अच्छी। दिस इज द मेन एम ऑफ सोसाइटल मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट। थैंक यू।